All right, we feeling confident here? Well, here we are. We skipped the road trip to the lake and well, we got the boat in the water. That's my mom. We're gonna go do some fishing on the new boat. It's looking pretty good though. Got the trolling motor there. I got the wire ran all the way to the back battery over here. And then we got the tarp on that we put on yesterday. Maybe we'll put it up today just to see what it's like to have it up while we're fishing. It's pretty sturdy.
So you can hear it touching the bottom, you can hear it touching?
Yeah, I'll move it with the oar if we have to. Let's see how my mom likes the boat. It's her first time in my boat. This is a pontoon style boat here. She's gonna use the old trolling motor there. Did you get the white rope up here?
Yep.
Okay.
Where do you want to start?
I don't know. We could.
Try that little island.
I wouldn't mind seeing what the gas motor works like. That's kind of what I wanted to try. So, here, Mom's gonna record while I try to get this gas motor started here. There we go. All right, we feeling confident here? Moves pretty quick. Not bad. What do you think? Definitely go wakeboarding behind this. So I wanted to really try out the motor and see what it felt like. This is a 2.5 horse, and I'm thinking about getting a 3.5 horse. It seems to cruise pretty good. It's not taking on any water or nothing. Where should we go, to the pond right away? We're gonna go to the pond. Well, it's not a pond, it's another part of this lake, but it's very weedy and stuff. So we're gonna head over there, and the transom flexes a lot. All right, guys, we're gonna get over to the area we're going here, and we'll get you back on the old camera here in just a little bit. Just up ahead here is our little passage to the other part of this lake. This is the Twin Lakes. I don't know why they're twin. That one's much smaller than this one, but we're gonna go ahead and shut the motor off here. All right. Put that up there. Like that, and Mom's gonna take control here. But we're gonna try to get right through there. We should be able to do it into the other little lake. This is Twin Lake. I did a video here, I think it was last year, where I caught that pike. I caught that pike right out here, and we camped over here, and I brought the pike back, and I did my first pike fillet, and I forgot to take out the Y bones. Well, I didn't forget, I just never had done one before, so I wasn't quite sure how to go about doing it. So we ate some Y bones with the pike, but it was still really good. But as you can see, guys, we're gonna head right through this little crevice right here, right into the other lake side. So far, the boat seems pretty comfortable. It is kind of, I mean, it moves back and forth, but it's really not that bad.
There's like a little path here.
So I put these T-tracks on yesterday, guys, and I have an anchor system I'm going to install on these T-tracks. But that's going to go on there. Some fishing holders are going to go on here. But we have the bimini rods kind of in the way here, so I'm not sure how much those will affect it. But I'll figure something out. Eventually, we'll get it all sorted out here. So yeah, we are now just about on the other side, the other lake over here. And as you can see, it is quite weedy and a lot of lily pads. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera off and get my rod set up. And we're going to do some casting out here and see if we can't catch us something. I got him. I did, but stuck on weeds. Oh, he's still on there. Hold still, buddy.
Oh yeah, 13 inches at least, maybe 14.
Caught a fish. Cool, now it's your turn, Mom. It felt good to catch something out here, guys, because we caught a couple, but they got off, you know. Oh, dang, there it is. Nice little guy.
It's about a 14.
Let him go and let him grow. All right, so not a false alarm. But Mom's got a fish.
I thought there was a fish on there.
Do you see him? Do you see him down there?
I saw him down there, but he's deep.
Oh man, you have to pull out a bunch of weeds.
That's okay.
So we're working on getting the fish out. All right, guys, so not sure if you can see it, but there's the fish right there. It is tangled up, and it is a northern. And it's pretty tired. It's pretty tired out. May not survive this incident here. My mom caught herself a northern. Look at that baby. That is a good, that's a good 24 inches, I would say. So yeah, about 24 inches, yeah. What we thought was a snag turns out to be this 24-inch northern pike here. That was a pretty fun catch and a hunt to get that guy. He was stuck in the weeds out here, so cool. Mom caught something. All right, let's keep on catching. If you want me to do it, I can. Here, hold on. All right, we got the old, uh-oh. We had the gas motor started, and now it died. Come on, mama. There we go. All right, we're gonna head on back with the old gas motor. Back to the old van over here at the loading dock. Take a break from the water. Yeah, it'll be fun. Crank her up. Nice little wake there. Definitely do some tubing behind here or something like that.
Oh yeah, wakeboarding.
Wakeboarding, skiing, water skiing, stuff like that. Especially when I get that 3.5 horse on here.
Oh yeah, that'll go a lot faster.
We'll have a lot of fun. Not a bad looking little boat. Very modern design. All right, let's go check on my boy. Hey, Luca, come on out, Bubs. What you doing there, Bubby? You want to go on the boat now? Is it your turn? Go get in the boat. Go get in the old boat. Go on. All right, guys. What do you guys think? You like the bimini top? I got my camera rolling over there. Up. Go on. There, stay right there. So we're gonna take the dog out. This will be the final test today. So we got the bimini top, the dog on board. All right, we are in, guys. All of us. We got me, we got my mom, we got my buddy Luca, and we're gonna go for a ride. What do you think, Bubs? You like the boat? Yeah, you like the boat. Oh yeah, I know, I love you too. So we're gonna try to do some fishing today, once again, with the bimini top on and the dog, just to see how much of a pain it might be. But honestly, I can spin around this way, just like this, and I can fish out the back just fine. And I don't think casting out the back is going to be a problem. Obviously casting through these side poles won't be easy, but the top's here for when on those super sunny days you just can't stand the heat and you got to have a top on, or you know, it's raining, or you're just cruising around and you just want to enjoy some shade, you know. So we're gonna head on over this direction and cast out our lines. I think I'm gonna cast that while Mom's strolling around. So let's see if we can catch something else before we head on back to the old homestead later today. Alrighty, folks. Well, we just put the bimini top down when we're out on the water, and that went pretty good. Didn't really have any issues putting it down. Went down pretty smooth, and it's sitting right here, right where it belongs, right in the back of the boat. So it's good to know it's pretty easy to put down when you're out here and put up. Well, we didn't put it up when we're out here, but it should be just as easy to put up in case you get a freak rainstorm or a freak burst of hot sunshine. Go ahead and put that up and down pretty easily from the boat. So pretty happy about that. It's pretty easy to fish from the backs and the front. You know, we couldn't really fish from the side with the poles there. So put that down. We're gonna go ahead and finish up here and do some fishing for a little bit longer, maybe another half an hour, 45 minutes. And then we're gonna be doing the old getting the boat out of the water dealio. So we'll show you guys that once we get to it. But Luca likes it out here, right, Luca? You like it out here, Bubs? Yeah, it's nice, huh? All right, let's see if we can catch another big old slammer. All right, guys, well, we're just about trolling in. Mom had the two poles here just trolling while we're heading over to wrap things up for the day, and she got 2 pikes. Would you look at that?
Well, I got one now and one in there.
Well, she got another pike here. This one's quite a bit smaller than the other one. Hold him up. Let's see that
Just
baby.
a small little one. Oh, it's like the one
he's
you got the other
a
day.
feisty little pikey. That's nice.
Yeah.
See you later, Bubs. Have fun. It's good knowing you. Well, that's it for now. We'll see you when we get to shore.
Northern.
We might have another fish on the line here. We're just about done trolling back to the van over there. And we might have another one. You got something on there?
I sure do.
Oh my gosh.
That's a flapper.
Oh my gosh. Mom always wins. She always wins. We come out here and lost her.
That's okay. You saw it on the video.
We saw it. We got it. Yep. So she still wins though. How about that? Just trolling back and you catch the old fish, huh?
Right in his mouth.
That's pretty cool.